Wake up, Tom. The sun is shining. It is morning.
I am so tired, Mom. 5 more minutes, please. No, Tom. You must get up. It is getting late.
But I'm still tired, Mom.
I know, sweetie, but it's time.
Okay, I'm getting up.
What time is it? Is it early?
It is 8 o'clock. You are late for school. Get up now.
Okay, Mom.
Oh no, 8 o'clock? I am very late.
Yes, you are. Go to the bathroom. Wash your face.
Okay, Mom, I am getting out of bed right now.
Good boy. Do not forget to brush your teeth.
Where is my blue toothbrush, Mom? I cannot find it. Oh, there it is.
It is in the bathroom. It is next to the sink.
I see it. I am brushing my teeth now.
Wash your face with cold water. It will help you wake up.
The water is very cold, but I am fully awake now.
Great job. Now go back to your bedroom to get dressed.
I need my school uniform. Where are my clothes?
Your clothes are on the chair. Put on your shirt and pants.
Okay, I am putting on my blue shirt first.
Hurry up, Tom. Do not forget to put on your socks.
I have my pants on, but I only have one sock!
Look under your bed, Tom. It is probably there.
I found it! I am putting on my shoes now.
Come to the kitchen, Tom. Your breakfast is ready.
I am coming, Mom. I am very hungry today.
Here is a glass of milk and a banana. Eat quickly, please.
Thank you, Mom. This banana is very yummy.
Drink all your milk. You need strong energy for school.
I finished my milk and my banana. I am ready for school!
Good boy. Take your backpack. Let's go to the car.
Okay, Mom.
Good job.
Let's go! I promise I will not wake up late tomorrow!